Hello, my name is Peter and I'm a medical doctor and the medical director of Kiwoko Hospital. Kiwoko Hospital is a 204-bed general hospital located in the central part of Uganda. And we have been privileged to recently celebrate 30 years as a hospital. We could not have made it this far without the many partnerships of people like Frohe Kiwoko. So at this time we want to send a special message to Frohe to thank them for the partnership we've had with them over the last 3 years. And would like to especially at this time just thank them for the various things they have contributed towards the hospital. First and foremost, we would want to say thank you for the ultrasound machine which was contributed to the hospital. And this ultrasound machine was very much needed because at the time we were lacking a working ultrasound machine in the hospital. More so an ultrasound machine which had capacity to do Doppler ultrasound machine. So we were very, very excited when we got this donation from Frohe, and would like to thank all those who contributed towards that scan machine, most especially the Lions Club, which was able to give the majority of the funds towards this ultrasound machine. Would like to also say thank you because we have also received an HB or hemoglobin electrophoresis machine. And this machine is now enabling us to confirm when someone has a problem with their hemoglobin. In this area, one of the main hemoglobin diseases is sickle cell disease. And in the central part of Uganda, up to 10% of the population will have sickle cell disease and either be carriers or actually have the disease. Being a genetic disease, this is diagnosed from as early as 6 months of age. And it is at that age when life-giving and life-changing treatments can be started. So it is really great for people to be able to test their children as early as that and be able to access care. As a hospital, we have a sickle cell clinic which is currently treating over 150 patients with sickle cell disease. Now these patients, the majority of them were unable to access this confirmatory test because of the distances they would have to travel and the costs which were involved in paying for this test. So with this machine on site, we are now able to provide a much needed service, not just to the people in the clinic, but to any others who would come from the local region and beyond and are in need of testing for sickle cell disease. Furthermore, through this partnership, we're able to get a blood bank fridge. And this is a fridge which enables us to store blood at the correct temperature so that it does not spoil. For many years, we were using an ordinary fridge and a thermometer to store our blood. But now, thanks to the donation, we're able to store blood, up to 90 units of blood in our fridge on site. And because of this, we're able to serve our clients much better and to also be more assured of the quality of the blood which we shall be giving these patients. So we're very grateful for that donation of a fridge. Another area the hospital has benefited has been on the side of cardiology. And as a hospital, we are trying to build our cardiology services in partnership with the Uganda Heart Institute. For one of the diagnosis of heart disease, we need a machine called an ECG machine. And we are grateful to Hilfe that they were able to get support, financial support together to actually purchase an ECG machine and ship it out to us. So this machine is now being put to very good use on a daily basis to help diagnose different types of heart disease. And for that we are very, very grateful. It has brought us one step closer to achieving our dream of developing cardiology services in the hospital. Over the last 2 years, the world has experienced challenges with COVID, and we have not been an exception. And this year, we had our second wave of COVID, and this wave led to many, many people actually contracting significant disease and needing admission and needing oxygen. Furthermore, it meant that the staff needed more and more personal protective equipment in order to cater for this. So earlier this year, we made an appeal which was very positively responded to by many people, both locally and internationally. And we're very grateful to Hilfe for their response to our appeal and for the support which was sent towards oxygen and towards purchase of personal protective equipment. Thank you so much. It was really a blessing and helped protect our staff and also provide life-giving oxygen to our patients. Would also like to thank Hilfe for trying to develop a student program whereby students come from Germany on electives to Kiwoko Hospital. And this program has started in the last part of this year, 2021, and we are looking forward to many more students joining us in 2022. So Hilfe, thank you for organizing this program. We would also love to thank you for the support you've had to the crafts and purchasing and shipping some of these crafts to different markets, because this money helps support some of the work which the hospital is doing in various areas. It's been 3 years, and we're believing in many more years of partnership with Hilfe. But at this time, we would want to say thank you so much, and would also love to wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.